Customer Relationship Management Services of Bank. This is the title of our project. Now let's see the abstract of our project. Customer plays a major factor for the bank growth. So in order to sustain the relationship between the customers and the customer need to be rewarded with some kind of various offers. Suppose the customer relationship is well maintained, then automatically the bank will acquire the new customers and retain the existing ones. So our proposal is to develop the automated system which will able to cluster the customer profile in order to determine which customer need to be rewarded with various kind of offers. Our automated system can able to determine which customer can be rewarded with the various offer in order to strengthen the relationship, and also to determine which customer that the bank is likely to lose. By our automated system we can able to determine the customer who is deserved for various kind of offers in order to sustain the relationship with the bank. Suppose if the customer strengthens his relationship with the bank, then automatically the bank will either high profit as well as bank growth will be increased. Now let's see the data flow diagram of our project. Data flow diagram of our project is classified into 4 categories in our project. The first one is customer strategy. The customer strategy model will deals with the customer. Here the customer can able to create a new account by providing their personal information. Here the ID as well as the account number will be automatically generated for after creating the account. They can able to make use of the transaction. In this transaction the customers need to provide their account number as well as password in order to make use of transaction. After proceeding with the transaction, the customer can able to view their profile as well as they can able to modify their personal information as well as the account information in the view profile. Let's see the next data flow diagram. This one is management strategy. This model is purely deals with the management people. In this management strategy model, the management people can able to view the customer profiles based on various account types. After the clustering, they can proceed with the managing the customer. In this managing the customer, the management people can able to remove the customer from this bank. Now let's see the third model. Here the customer profile is taken into consideration. After that it will be proceed with the clustering process. The performance of this clustering process, then it will be proceed for the sorting process. In this sorting process, the customer profile will be various factors. Sorting technique will be various depends upon the factor. The fine prior list will be generated. After acquiring this fine prior list, then it will be finalized by the management people in order to provide some offers for the customer in order to strengthen the relationship with the bank. This is the final model of this project. Beneficial strategies. After the fine prior list acquired from the evaluation process, it will be taken into consideration here. So after the acquiring that list, it will be proceed with the determination process. In this determination process, our automated system will check whether the customer is eligible or eligible for providing offers. So during this determination process, the fake profile will be get removed. After the processing of the determination process, it will be proceed for the analysis. During this analysis, our automated system will check whether the customer is most eligible for this offer or not. In case suppose if the customer is not eligible for this offer, then he will be removed by the management peoples. So after the analysis process, it will be proceed for evaluation process. During this evaluation process, the fine prior for category customer profile is clustered into a form such that the customer can able to provide some offers. So after the evaluation of the process, the fine prior list will be generated. In this finalized list, we can able to determine which customer profile is deserved and eligible for the internet banking, which customer profile is eligible and deserved for providing some offers in the bank loan, which customer profile is eligible and deserved for the value-added services, which profiles are the normal priority list. So from this we can able to provide various kind of offers for the most deserved customers as well as every customers. So from this process we can able to determine the fake customers as well as the most valuable customers. So by providing some various kind of offers for the customer, we can able to strengthen the relationship between the customers and the bank. Now let's see the demo of our project. This is the home screen of our project. As I said, user can able to create a new account in this. Here, as I said, user can able to create a new account. Let's create a here number as well as the ID will be generated automatically. After providing every creation, the account will be created successfully. After creating a new account, user can able to make use of this transaction. During this transaction, user need to provide the account number as well as password. valid information, the user can able to log into their account. After logging into their account, they can able to perform the transaction. As I said, the user can able to deposit, withdraw money, as well as they inquire for the remaining balance. Here I am just first inquiring for the remaining balance. Here this account Gokul contains of the remaining balance of 500. Here I am just going to deposit some money in this account. Here we need to provide some username, as well as we need to provide the account number. Then we need to select the account type in which this user created this account. Here we need to provide the amount to be deposited in this account. Here I am providing the 1000. Here the cash is successfully deposited. Let's check out this balance. Here the balance will be updated automatically. After that, we can able to withdraw money from this account. In deposit, here also user need to provide the information. Valid information, the cash will be withdrawn. Let's check out the remaining balance. Here the balance will be get updated automatically. Now let's go for management strategy. Here the management people can able to only access this management strategy. The username password will be the admin. As I said, at first the management people can able to cluster the profile by means of account type. Here we clustered the customer profile by means of account type. Let's check out the unique customers. Here we need to provide the customer account number in order to retrieve their data. After the retrieval process, here the management people can able to view the detailed information regarding the particular. During this module, the management people can able to remove their customer from the bank without any restriction. For example, here I am providing. Let's sign up. So evaluation will be carried out by means of various factors. As I said, first the customer profile will be clustered by means of date of creation. After that, after clustering by the rate of creation account, carried by the number of transaction. So again this information will be clustered by means of transaction. After this, acquired information will again get clustered by means of total amount. Let's proceed with this. We need to acquire the records which is derived from this previous form. After that, again this information will be clustered by means of last visited date. Will get again clustered by means of current balance. After acquiring various clustering process, we will be proceeding with this. After proceeding with this, we can able to acquire the list who is eligible for the internet banking. The arrangement of the information will be based on the priority. Here we get the priority list for the overall interest. Here we get the priority list for the value added services. Here the normal peoples. Okay, after acquiring those lists, we can be proceed with this. So in this model, we can able to determine which customer is eligible for the internet banking. Here we can able to determine which customers are eligible for this kind of things. After that, we can able to determine which customers are eligible for the overall interest. Value added services, we can able to determine which customer profile is eligible for providing the value added users or in normal conditions. So by determining this various kind of customer list, we can able to enhance we can able to strengthen the customer relationship by providing the various kind of offers for the customers in order to strengthen the relationship between the customers and bank. Thank you.